Hey guys, okay, I'm feeling this one. You feel it? Do you feel it? I do. I think this is it. I think this is our luck, or RG3, although it's a very thin pack. Feeling something special. Dez gets us started with the Cowboys out of $3.99. Phillip Rivers out of $3.99. Base for the Chargers. Let's just turn around, shall we? Don't look at the luck. Josh Cooper. Josh Cooper. I'm a Browns fan. I've never heard of Josh Cooper. 32 of 49. Don't know. Fred Williamson. Chiefs, numbered 35 of 349. Kind of got a ding in the edge of it. All right, we already saw this one. Josh Freeman. Auto for the Bucks. Nice. Deviation. Well, there we go. 1 of 1. 1 of 1 auto. Josh Freeman. I told you I felt something special. I was thinking luck or RG3. But a 1 of 1 auto of a nice quarterback. It's okay. Oh, hey, and another. Not a 1 of 1, but Monikers Gold. Alfred Morris. Redskins. Cardsick 45. Not a lot of Alfred Morris stuff out there either, so good to see. Of course, it's redemption, but still. So, back-to-back nice hits, and we'll finish with a Kobe. Kobe Fleener Jumbo rookie jersey. 2-color. 13 of 49. Nice. So, good Alfred Morris. Congrats to Deviation on the 1 of 1 auto Freeman. Alright, let's keep breaking.